ఆ, కాపుల పడ కాలుపడ Bhimunipatnam, Visakhapatnam district, involving an investment of rupees 7,220 crore for a 100 MW data center has started. Infosys established a development center in Visakhapatnam, solidifying the city's position as an emerging IT destination and enhancing the economic prospects of the state as a whole. The government is promoting tourism as an important growth engine of the state economy as well as a significant job creator. I am happy to share with you that my government has undertaken a number of initiatives, including the Andhra Pradesh Tourism Policy 2020 to 2025, which has been rated among the best in the country for the growth and development of the tourism sector in the state. The state focuses on attracting international tourists by offering state-of-the-art facilities as a preferred destination. Andhra Pradesh has been recognized by the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India, as the third most popular tourism destination in the country. Several hotels of international repute, such as Oberoi Group, Novotel, and Mayfair Hotels and Resorts Limited, and Hyatt Regency, are investing in Andhra Pradesh. 17 tourism projects are under various stages of implementation with an investment of rupees 3,685 crores with a potential to create employment to 7,290 people. Effective implementation of the policies and programs which have ensured encouraging growth performance during 2022-23 continued during the financial year 23-24 also. The economy of the state continues its encouraging trend, recovering swiftly from COVID-19 fallout. The advanced estimates for 2023-24 indicate an overall growth of 10.2% at current prices. All the three sectors of the economy, that is agriculture and allied, industries and services, depict significant growth performance. The industry and services sectors have helped the economy to register higher overall growth. The per capita income of Andhra Pradesh at current prices has moved up from 2,19,519 in 2022-23 to 2,42,479 in 2023-24, demonstrating an impressive growth rate of 10.43%. Governance at the people's doorsteps. My government is committed in decentralization in letter and spirit, which demonstrated at various levels of governance. 13 new districts have been carved out, and this has brought the administration closer to the citizens. Urban and rural administration is closer to the people than ever before, with establishment of 15,004 village and ward secretariats. In all, 1.35 lakh employees have been recruited and placed in each secretariat, catering to the needs of every 2,000 citizens. In addition, 2.6 lakhs volunteers have been recruited all over the state to deliver government services to the beneficiaries at their doorstep. Through this secretariat system, the entire public service delivery mechanism has undergone a phenomenal change. Till date, 9.84 crore transactions have been successfully completed by utilizing 540 plus services of various government departments in a time-bound manner. Jagananna Suraksha, an innovative program, was conducted successfully in which the government distributed around 1 crore certificates including caste, income, marriage, pension cards, Arogyasri cards and death certificates at the people's doorstep. My government has embarked on an unprecedented resurvey of land holdings across the state, which is being done after a gap of 100 years to resolve the land disputes and to provide permanent land titles. Resurvey of 42.6 lakhs acres in 4,000 villages out of a total of 17,460 revenue villages in 2 phases was completed under YSR Jagananna Shashwata Bhu Akku Mariyu Bhuraksha program. This facilitated 17.53 lakh farmers to receive permanent title deeds, resolve 4.8 lakh mutations, and make 10,021 lakh new subdivisions. Resurvey work in third phase, 2,000 villages is going on at a brisk pace. Distribution of land to the poor and provision of full rights on the lands would benefit 20,24,709 landless poor people across the state to an extent of 35,44,866 acres of land. My government is keen to ensure that welfare and development schemes reach beneficiaries at their doorsteps transparently and satisfactorily. If any services are not reaching the people, the government takes immediate steps to rectify this under the Gadapaku Mana Prabhutvam program. Public representatives visited every household explaining the welfare and developmental initiatives taken up by the government, and simultaneously took prompt action in resolving the issues raised by the people. Works worth not less than rupees 20 lakhs were sanctioned for each village ward secretariat after identifying the gaps in the infrastructure and other requirements. Now I will be concluding. I would like to conclude my speech with the words of Mahatma Gandhi, who said, and I quote, "Progress of a society should be determined by the state of the most vulnerable and weakest ones. People who are farthest from the frontiers of development are to be brought up to the level of the others for real development," unquote. All the development and welfare measures put in place for the welfare of the poorest, most vulnerable, underprivileged, and remotest are exactly on these lines, and there is every need to continue the development momentum till the future generations enjoy its fruits perennially. I am hopeful that people's cooperation and strong support will continue in future also for continuing the development momentum. Jai Hind.